What's up, YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. Come back with another box break. 2010 Rookies and Stars. Harrison, that's awesome, man. Definitely keep me updated on Facebook and all that jazz. Sure you will. I actually know how you feel, because it wasn't too long ago I was going through the same thing. Empty box, 24 packs, a lot of cards in here, a lot of cards. Good luck. Pull something really nice. Man, I pulled all those Jacoby Fords out of here before. Look at Jacoby Ford now, man. He's tearing up. He played really good Sunday. Got a Deshaun Jackson longevity, number 28 of 49 for the Eagles. All these cards are crimped, though, at the top. You guys can see those. Actually crimped right there. See that? Every one of them is crimped. So whoever got the Deshaun Jackson, I apologize. There's a little pack. They're crimped. Full boxing like that. Usually not. Nope. These are good. Got a hit. Good luck. I think I peeked at it. I think I know who it is. Oh, sick patch. Sick patch. What's the numbering on that? Wow. Nice. Numbered 1 of 50. 1, 2, 3 color. 3 breaks for the Lions. Javid Best. Numbered 1 of 50. There you go, Chad. Once again, tearing it up. Nice. eBay 101. Javid Best is a beast, too. Nice looking patch, man. Every time Chad gets in a break, you can bank it. He's going to get at least something. Put it in the bank, man. He's going to get at least something. Nice looking patch, too. Nice looking card. I got a rookie card in here. None of these rookies are numbered. They're Terrell Troop. They're all like 4th, 5th, 6th round rookie cards. Dominique Franks rookie for the Falcons. Got a longevity rookie card for the Chiefs. Is that a rookie card? Nope. Thought it was a rookie. Thomas Jones for the Chiefs, numbered 78 and 99. Got a... Wow, that's nice. It's the first time I've pulled one of him. It's nice because I like him, but number 90 of 99 rookie card for the Colts. Longevity, Kevin Thomas. Show that real quick. Kevin Thomas for the Colts. Another longevity for the Ravens. Ray Rice, number 249. What's the number on it? 29, 249. 2 off his jersey number. Here's number 27. For the Ravens. And got an autograph. I peeked at it, didn't know it was an auto. There you go. It's actually kind of cool looking card. Numbered 78 at 299. It's going to be for the New York G-Men. New York Giants, a rookie card auto of Chad Jones. Chad Jones. Nice looking card. Still looking for 2 more hits. Got about roughly half a box left. Got a studio rookies of Brandon LaFell and Clausen, number to 500. Rookie card Shane Witherspoon for the Falcons. Toby Gerhart. This number, that's not even numbered. Star rookie. That's for the Vikings. They've been putting him in on some key plays instead of AP, huh? They must trust Toby Gerhart a little more than Adrian Peterson lately. I don't know. Andre Anderson, rookie card for the Raiders, not numbered. I don't know what Chili's been thinking lately, but pulled out a win against the Cardinals last Sunday, so maybe he'll keep his job for another week. Sam Bradford, Marty Gilliard, number 19 of 100. Pretty cool looking card. 19 of 100. Sam Bradford, Marty Gilliard. Rookie card, Patrick Robinson for the Saints. That's not going to be numbered. They're looking for 2 hits. I need to speed it up a little bit here. 6.5 minutes. Got 2, 4, 6, 8 packs left. Got a cross training of CJ Spiller for the Bills. That's numbered to 500. Numbered to 104. 500. All base. It's gonna be all base. Yeah, thank you, Sportsman. I am. Rookie card of, who is that? Chris McGaha. Not numbered. Alright, 4 packs left. Still looking for 2 hits, so they better be at the bottom here. Hi, honey. And it's all base. Alright, 2 packs left, and I'm getting a little worried that there's still looking for 2 hits. I don't see nothing in there. Last 2 packs. Better be something this one. That one feels, actually they both do. This one feels ginormous. Alright, we might have gotten shorted. All base. All base. I need to check the box. How many hits have we gotten so far? 2, right? Only 2. I'm going to check the box in a second. There's a hit in here. 4 autograph per millimeter on average. I guarantee you if I say something to them, they're going to tell me, well, we don't guarantee. Alright, good luck. Last hit. We got ripped off. Nice looking card, but I'm kind of mad that we didn't get our patch auto. I'm going to contact Panini. It's going to be for the Seahawks. Nice looking patch, numbered 15 of 50. 3-color patch of Golden Tate. Golden Tate. Little, nice looking card. Tate's a beast, too. I'm a little mad we didn't get our patch auto. So I will contact Panini. Got video proof. I will let them know and see what we can do. So that was slightly disappointing that we did. I mean, nice hits for those, but slightly disappointing we did not get a patch autograph out of that box. So, all right, bum the suit out.